Pip the Pup. Learn to read English for kids. This story is called Pip the Pup and the Big Red Ball. Look! A little pup named Pip lives in a big green house. Pip loves to play. See his wagging tail? One sunny day, Pip was playing in the garden. He sniffed a yellow flower and chased a buzzing bee. But then, what's that? Big red! A big red ball bounced into the garden. Pip had never seen a ball so big. He barked with joy. The ball bounced again and Pip ran after it. Bump! The ball hit Pip on his nose. This was fun. Pip nudged the ball with his paw. Boing! The ball bounced high in the air. Pip jumped and tried to catch it, but it was too high. Flop! The ball landed in a big green bush. Pip got stuck in a flower pot. Oh no! Pip barked as loud as he could. He hoped someone would hear him. Luckily, just then, a little girl skipped into the garden. It was Meg. She stopped and looked around. Pip, where are you? She called. Pip barked again, this time even louder. Meg followed the sound and saw Pip poking out of the flower pot. Oh, Pip, she laughed. She pulled Pip out of the pot and gave him a big hug. Pip was so happy. He was so glad to be out. Meg threw the ball high in the air and Pip chased after it. Boing! Bump! Wag! They played all afternoon in the sunshine, and Pip never chased his ball into any more flower pots. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story with Pip. For more stories like this and fun ways to learn English, don't forget to like and subscribe to Treehouse Learning, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.